Hey everyone, welcome to Intro to DJing. What I want to do in this video is give an example of using hot cues and loops, like saved loops, when mixing in a track. So what I've done here is I'm going to practice mixing from My Type by Saweetie into The Motto by Drake. Now what I've done in my prep work is saved loop 1 is an instrumental section of The Motto, and this is what it sounds like. And I also have Hotcue 1 that just basically goes at the start of the track. Now this can be a tough track to mix in because it starts right off the bat.
I'm the f***ing man, y'all don't get it, do you?
So one of the ways I can mix this in is, let's say this track is ending, and I'm going to play the instrumental track and basically emulate mixing this track in and then jumping to the section that I want. So suppose we're playing it here.
Type, that's my type.
So what I did here was I set a loop on the instrumental section, and as this track got to the end, I jumped right at the beginning when basically the outro over here ended. Now, you probably wouldn't hear me do it exactly like this in a live setting, and the tricky thing here is I have like one mouse and I don't get to actually touch these knobs, but I think you hear the idea, the usefulness of using your saved loops on an instrumental section of the song, and then when you're ready to start the track or mix in, you can release the loop or jump to a specific hot cue when you're ready, when the track's over at that right point. And that allows you to basically drop in the track at a natural point when it sounds right, as opposed to an awkward place, such as in the middle of a verse or something. So hopefully this video is helpful, and I'll try to come up with some other examples as well of throughout the class. You'll be seeing me using hot cues and saved loops all the time. So thanks for watching.